Hi, I'm Drea from the IFT team, and I'm here today to show you how you can publish your own applets. All IFT users can publish applets on the platform.
If you've never visited the IFT platform before, or if you're not a developer, you'll need to enter your information. Click Start Building to enter your information and sign up for the IFT platform. Enter your business name when prompted. If you don't have a business, enter your name or occupation. All users can sign up for the IFT platform without charge. Once you're signed up, then you're ready to visit the IFT platform.
Visit the IFT platform and then select the applet that you wish to publish. Click Edit, and here you'll see all of the applet's components listed out. You can determine which components are determined by you or which components can be customized by other users. The only caveat here is that if you plan to use ingredients, then that action must be set by you and is not available to be customized by the users. Users can always add ingredients later, so keep that in mind. All published applets must have a description. Once your final adjustments have been made and a description is added, click Save at the bottom of the screen. Then you will be redirected to the applets page. Near the bottom of the applets page, click Publish to publish your applet. The applet should show up on the IFT platform within 24 hours. Direct links will be available immediately, so if you'd like to share your applet with somebody else right away, click Preview, get the URL for the applet page, and send it. We're looking forward to seeing what applets you create. Let us know in the comments if you have a cool applet idea. Check out our other videos to learn how you can leverage your tech tools using IFT.